Hello and welcome to this demonstration video for my Movies API. So to get started here, I have my Swagger documentation, and we're going to look at the OAuth here. So if we go here, we can see that I am logged in. So with it being logged in, I'm going to log out here real quick just to show that it does work. Okay, logged out. So then if I come here again and execute it, you'll see that it is logged out. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's log in again, but this time I just want to, let's say, look at the profile, which is another route I have. So it takes me to this OAuth login. So I can just type in everything and it'll submit it, and then I'll be able to see everything. And again, if I were to execute it, see that I'm logged in. Cool. So now we can head down to my routes. So my routes here, they work pretty much just the same. I can execute it, it'll pull everything. And I have like a post and delete and everything. So here, let's try this out here. I can just fill it in with just like a bunch of just random information. Awesome plot. Very cool. Oh. Length, we'll just say 2 hours. Let's get rid of that. Okay, cool. So now to show that my data validation works, I can go here, execute it, and be like, hey, you can't have an empty field. And that's because it's referring to the joy that I have in my program. But then if I were to add it, it executed it, and it inserted it. And just to show that it's actually inserted, we can come here, and we can see it insert right there. And then we can also test the delete. I can put my ID in there and execute it. And then we can see that, well, it looks like it deleted, but then we can double check here just to make sure it did. And as you can see, it did. The ID 50 is gone. And the one last thing I want to just show here is when we're logged out, we cannot access the routes. Okay, we're logged out. And just to make sure we're logged out, see, we're logged out. So we can do things like, oh, can I see the profile? Hey, you're not logged in. It's like the get one has a thing here. So if I try and execute it, hey, you're unauthorized. But yeah, that is my demonstration video for my Movies API. Thank you for watching.